Hello everyone. Today was the first day that I traded after I funded my account with about $1,400. I traded a couple of things. It started out well, but then not very well. So what did I do today? So this is a timeline right here of what I did. The market opened and Starbucks was really down. It was down. It's gapped down really huge, and I thought it would continue going down. It would continue selling off because the news for Starbucks was not very good. So as soon as market opened, I did not even wait 5 minutes. I shorted it. Guys, I'm playing really small, so whatever profits you see, whatever losses you see is not going to be very big. This is a training for me to try to learn the basic principles of trading that I haven't learned in the last few years. So I shorted it here at about 94.35, and then it was going down. I added a little more. It went down, so I covered around 93.70. You see the triangles. I showed it, so it starts with red, and then the green is where I covered. So I covered right here. I cannot cover partial because I don't have a lot of shares, and it's really not worth it when you think about the commission that you have to pay for every trade. So I covered here. It went down a little bit without me, and then it went up above VWAP, which is the purple line, but then it couldn't continue. It seemed like it didn't want to continue. So I shorted it again here, and then I covered all here. Why did I cover? So this is a 5-minute chart. This is where I shorted it first. I covered, shorted again, covered. It was still going down. It was still showing 5-minute lows, but still I just chickened out. I saw a couple of dollars green, and then I said maybe that's enough. But then it went on without me. That's fine. It was a green trade. But then later in the day, it started to curl up a little bit. And then it hit VWAP. It seemed like it was struggling around VWAP. Very few shares again I shorted here at VWAP, thinking it would just snap down from VWAP. It did not. It went up. It grinded up really slowly, and then I covered. I covered here. I gave all my profit that I got from here, from the beginning, from the first two trades. Oh well, it happened. So what should I have done here? First of all, when I shorted it here, it was still on an uptrend. It was showing 5-minute highs, higher lows, higher highs. There was no reason for me to short it here. I should have waited. But then I thought maybe VWAP would be where it would bounce from going south. It did not. But then did I have a stopping position? No, I just looked at it. So I did cover eventually. I'm glad I did because it went on higher and higher. So that was Starbucks. MU trade was also another interesting trade. As you can see, the 5-minute chart, it was really strong at the open. Like you can see from the daily chart, it really gapped up. So it was really strong at the open, 5 minutes. I could have went long, but then I did not because I don't like going long. I don't feel like things will go up, but they always do. Anyways, I looked at it. I stared at it. It went up. Andrew and everybody in the room was long on it. So then it started slowing down a little bit. I shorted here. It went up a little bit. I shorted. My stop was the high of the day. I was going to respect it, and I would have respected it really. So the high of the day around 47.50 something was the double top. So I showed it again. It started going down. I covered. Why did I cover? I don't know, because it was still going down. It was still going down, but the wicks up and down a little bit kind of made me nervous, and I was green on it, so I just covered. It went without me, and it's still going down. It wasn't a lot of shares, but so I started green. But then I wasn't green. So basically I did not make any money today. I lost 68 cents. This $32 minus $32 you see is all commission fee, and this is going to be fixed because our commission structure for bearable traders is lower than normal. We have a discounted rate, and they're going to fix it. So basically I'll probably lose $10 today, which is fine. But the point of this video today is it was good when I started with Starbucks. It was weak. It was weak, as you can. This is a 5-minute chart. It had bad news, so it sold off a little bit. It sold off a little bit. I covered, sold again, I covered. But then why did I get in here? There was no reason for me to get in here. And then I should have covered right away when it broke VWAP and started going higher. I did not. I gave all the money that I made on it. So that's fine. That's one. Now Starbucks, if you can see, it's going down. I probably can short it now, and then see where it goes, but we'll see. So that was the trade of the day. It wasn't really bad because I'm playing really small size. The point is for me to train myself with the psychological ups and downs that goes on with trading, and hopefully I will master it this month, and then I'll start going big starting October. We'll see. But for now, that's all I have. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the stuff that I'm saying, of course, you can always ask. Yeah, that's all about it today. Thank you for watching. I will see you again tomorrow when I do my recap. Not a great day, but not a bad day either. So that's fine. Have a good day. Thank you.